Hey folks, Dave with Dagon Lasercraft. Have you ever wondered if you can put mustard on stainless steel and mark it with your laser? Well, the wait's over because we're fixing to give it a try right now.
Okay, we're going to set this knife up in Lightburn. Go over to the left and grab the square. Come out to your canvas. Push your left mouse button and just drag it out and let go. So the knife I'm working with is about 20 millimeters by 220. And that gives us a basic area, and of course it can be adjusted more precise once you get to the laser and do a frame. Okay, so now you want to go down to the bottom and click Tool, T1. And notice on the top right there's no output for this, so it's just a tool just to use to get sized up properly. Now we need some text. Let's go over to the text button, click in our box, and start typing. Then click the arrow to top left to select your text and move it to approximately where your blade is. And then go down to the bottom and click what I have set for a engrave and just select whatever palette you have preset, or either change any of them to work to do this, and then just up here set it to fill, not line or offset. You want to set it to fill. So I'm going to change this speed to about 60 and set the power to 70%. So 60 millimeters per second at 70% power on a 40-watt laser. We'll see what happens. Okay, on my text, to make sure that it's filled, always go up top, select it, go up top to preview, and you can see that it's filled. If you wanted to show the fill all the time, you could. You could go up top to settings, go to this field rendering, check it, and then it shows it all the time. But it's not recommended because you could potentially hide some other layers you have behind it and you wouldn't see them and address those properly. So I usually leave it off. Oh, wrong one. Alright, now it's off. Alright, so now we just need to go to the laser, get set up, and then do a frame, and then come back and click Start to send the code over to the laser. So give me a couple of minutes to get set up and I'll be right back.
Okay, we're set up in Lightburn, and now we'll just smear a little mustard on here, do a frame, and see how this works out. I understand the mustard works better if you just leave it wet. Oh, that's probably too much. And now my honeycomb has mustard in it. We're just going to make sure there's enough. I think we're good. Alright, we'll do a frame. And I'm using absolute coordinates so I can just move the laser head and it knows where it's at. Alright, that's probably good enough. I will turn on the air assist and the exhaust and then send the code over. So here it is all cleaned up, so it looks pretty good. So y'all go grab a butter knife and some mustard and give it a try. See how it works out for you. Okay, folks, well, it works. You can mark stainless steel with your laser by putting mustard on it. Maybe some of those fancy, expensive sprays work better. I don't know. I don't have none of them. But I did have mustard in the refrigerator, and my wife had plenty of stainless steel butter knives in the drawer. So there you go. So give it a try. Be safe when you do it. I really appreciate you folks watching. I hope you learned something. If you did, please like and subscribe. Check back often for new videos, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.